Greetings, members one and all of the Salivation Nation. Well, here it is. The package that most of you have already seen. There's been some unboxings already of this. Mine has arrived. It is the 2020 Gold Kookaburra. Yes, indeed. Kind of the first time that this has been available as sort of a bullion product here. And so we're going to take a look at this. I actually ordered the gold and the silver. And from Monument Metal, so let's take this apart, unbox this rather, and see what we have inside. Very exciting indeed. Adding a little bit of gold. I'm going to count this towards my 2020 gold stack, I think. All right, even though I ordered it in 2019, but it comes in a priority bag here. Very good. Okay, let's see. Rip this apart. We have inside here. Very good. Very well packed by Monument Metals. And inside of another package here. Very good. Prevent rattling, which is definitely a good thing. All right. Here they are. Very exciting. And most of you have already seen the 2020 Kookaburra. This is the anniversary edition, 30th anniversary, and in and of itself is a very cool looking piece, and I've kind of wondered what he's sitting on there. Some people speculate it's some sort of a fence, an angled fence, but it might be a rooftop as well. And then you have the sun shining in the background. This is 4/9 fine silver, the Kookaburra, very cool. And then on the other side we have not just the queen. For the first time, there is two cooks, one on the obverse, which is this side, and one on the reverse. For those of you who don't know, the side that the queen is on is always considered the obverse for Commonwealth nation coins. And this has the dual date 1990 and 2020. Elizabeth II, Australia, $1. And it has the original design here that was issued in 1990. So that's really cool. So it's sort of a coin within a coin there, sort of showing that design there. Homage to that very first design, which I think is actually really cool. I like how they did that. And then yet a new design, an exciting design, with the cook with singing there. Very good, making a sound there. 30th anniversary. Now, what we've all been waiting for. Well, you haven't been waiting for it because you've seen it, and I've seen it on other channels. But it's the 10th ounce Cook. Very cool. I was real excited when I was made aware of this particular piece. Very cool. And $15 is the year of issue here. There's the queen, the obverse side. And on the reverse, we have the homage to the 1990 version of the silver. And I really like how they did the frosting and the like on this. I think it looks terrific here. Very cool. And lovely coin. And it's dual dated as well with the weight and purity. 1/10 ounce, 4/9 fine gold. Australian Kookaburra. I like it. It's nice. However, I almost think they should have done a 1/4 ounce size. As it's just very tiny. But make no mistake, the Perth Mint is known for their quality. And it's pretty much flawless at this size as well. But it's very cool. So there they both are together. A 30th anniversary Kookaburra in gold and silver. Very, very nice indeed. And so very lovely. Happy to have these in the collection and add a little bit of gold weight and silver weight because I do like the Kookaburra series. And here's the queen side of both of them. And for once, on the gold 10th ounce, the queen is larger than on the silver. It's very cool. If we turn around this side, we can see that the silver version of the design is larger than the gold version. It's very interesting indeed. Some factoids for you there. That's right. Very cool. All right, so there it is. The Kookaburra in gold and silver. Very cool. I want to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for taking the time to watch. encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.